Education is a powerful tool that has the ability to impact individuals and ultimately shape their world. As Paulo Freire famously stated, education changes people, and people change the world. For the longest time, I believed that in order for my life to become more fulfilling, I needed my world or circumstances to change. However, I realized that the key to growth and personal development lies within ourselves. While it is true that there may be negative influences or people in our lives, more often than not, it is our own mindset and perspectives that need to evolve. By seeking education and becoming well-informed, we open ourselves up to endless possibilities for personal growth. This can take the form of reading a new book, enrolling in a short course, returning to school, or even watching educational videos like this one. The act of learning expands our minds and creates an environment conducive to development and exponential growth. Instead of fixating on changing others or our external circumstances, we should focus on changing ourselves. Education provides us with the most effective means to accomplish this. It empowers us to take charge of our own lives and become the best version of ourselves. So if you find yourself in a similar position to what I once was, it may be time to shift your perspective. Rather than attempting to alter other people or your surroundings, consider embarking on a journey of self-improvement through education. Take the courageous step today and commit to learning something new. You won't regret it.